Well, hey everybody, welcome back on this fantastic Friday. I wasn't going to shoot a video tonight. I was going to wait till Sunday here, but in light of the fact that everything that we talked about and taught you on Wednesday happened again today, and in triplicate, quadruplicate, and so much more, it's really appropriate to make sure that we cover this. So first of all, for those of you that can't join tomorrow morning, just understand that we went ahead. We never did make this level over here support. I told you about that back over here. That led us into Monday morning. Of course, as you guys know, I was focusing very heavily on the short side trading, rightfully so. And then we're closing out the week with a lot of short side trading here. Certainly one of my favorite days in quite some time. This was super exciting. I can't wait for more like this to come. So what I'm looking at now, for those of you that are just more on the longer term side, what happens here? We're at the bottom end of the channel. Previously, we hit the top end of the channel. Today we spent a lot of time trying to eat away at that midpoint of the channel. We did, and that dropped us to the bottom end of the channel. Are we going to fall back through the channel? Are we going to go and make this now a resistance and roll back over? That's what we're going to be watching into next week, as the market absorbs all the Fed Chairman Powell's comments from Jackson Hole this morning. But in the meantime, it's going to open up so many wonderful opportunities. We're going to talk about those things, everything from inverse ETFs to for swing trades to classic ETFs that could fare well in a long side environment here as well. We're going to talk about some of the more advanced trading that I focused on here today and how I use some of the tools that I taught you guys the other night. So that's going to be really eye-opening. So I didn't even share that much on Wednesday night. So it's going to be a nice addition to tomorrow's class. And then, of course, we're going to show you a lot of the classic stuff that I taught you the other day that just kept happening over and over and over again today. Such a super exciting day here, and just showing you how much opportunity we have in these markets right now. So we're going to go over a lot tomorrow morning. So from a bigger picture perspective, swing traders, we're going to also talk about swing trading a lot tomorrow morning in the class. But those that can't join tomorrow because it won't be recorded, and so you can just understand, I'm going to be watching what happens now at this key support level on the channel. That's a very important area. Just like over here when I told you we need to push up through, pull back, show that was now support. Look at that beautiful run that we got out of that. Well, now we're going to be watching that level right back over here again. So I'll have more updates into next week on things like that. But for everybody, come to tomorrow morning, especially if you're a more advanced trader, you love trading and investing, whether it's active day trading or active swing trading, and that this is going to be the class for you, because as you'll see, and I'll show you, the things I taught you the other night happened multiple times today, over and over. I was trading a lot today, and so I want to show you how I was trading, because there are even some advanced trades in there too. That'll be great for you guys to learn. So I'm super excited about tomorrow morning. Join us there at becomeabettertrader.com/go. Becomeabettertrader.com/go. Because those trades were traded in my live account, not the Simulator Monkey account that a lot of people do. So this is real money, real trading, real strategies, and I really want to make sure you guys see that tomorrow morning. Okay, so join me at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. I can't wait to see you there for this super awesome class. Have a great night, everybody. We'll see you in the morning. Take care. Bye-bye.